It all started with a curious discovery on Google Maps, an airplane seemingly submerged in a pool in Saraburi. Social media buzzed with speculation. Was it a crash site? The shadow of an overflying plane? Or just a glitch in the map? Determined to uncover the truth, we set out on a journey to investigate. After traveling along the highway and winding through quiet roads, we finally arrived at a small city hamlet near the Parsak River, nestled in a secluded corner on the outskirts of Saraburi. We couldn't spot the entrance at first and had to ask for directions. Locals informed us that we needed to circle around the community to reach it. Not knowing what to expect, we were taken by surprise when we arrived at a beach resort-like holiday setting tucked away in a secluded corner of the city. We were greeted by the manager, Koen Boonlert, who welcomed us warmly and led us on a tour of the facility.
สวัสดีครับผมบุญเลิศนะครับจากมิสซัมเมอร์บีชสระบุรีนะครับเราจะมีบ่ออันนี้ลึก10 เมตรนะไว้สำหรับเรียนดำน้ำแล้วก็ด้านล่างเนี่ยก็จะมีเป็นอุโมงค์แล้วก็มีเครื่องบินมีซากรถด้วยครับอยู่ที่นี่ทั้งหมด
ใช่ผมก็เห็นตอนน้ำเนี่ยก็ไปกันได้เลย
ครับใช่แต่ว่าตอนเนี้ยมันมองไม่เห็นเพราะว่าน้ำมันลึกมากแต่ทาง Google น่ะดูใน Google จะเห็น
ใช่ดูได้
ครับ
He explained that the aircraft was a real decommissioned plane, repurposed as an underwater training site for divers. But there was a catch. Though clearly visible on Google Maps, the airplane itself was impossible to see from the edge of the pool. Resting at a depth of 10 meters, it remained hidden beneath the greenish water, its outline blurred by the lack of visibility. So, mystery solved. What seemed like a puzzling anomaly turns out to be a creative and immersive training environment. Koen Boonlert explains that the pool is reserved for licensed divers only, or for students accompanied by an instructor. Other swimmers are strictly forbidden. Beyond the airplane, the facility also featured a submerged car wreck and 2 massive concrete drainage pipes, strategically arranged as tunnels for divers to navigate, enhancing the challenge of maneuvering through confined underwater spaces. On the far side of the basin, opposite the entrance, a platform with staircases provides a safe descent to the water's edge, where divers can enter the depths. From this elevation, one can take in a sweeping panoramic view of the entire lake. Somewhere to the left of the platform lies the airplane, completely invisible from this vantage point. So, let's dive in. The airplane is covered in silt, deposited as sediment. This fine material often accumulates in rivers, lakes, and seabeds, forming muddy or soft layers. As a result, the water appears cloudy. Our curiosity satisfied to an unexpected degree, we now walk back toward the main building, reflecting on the unique sights we've just experienced and ever grateful to Koen Bunthorn Sound for providing us with the underwater images that brought the adventure to life. Time to check out the restaurant's menu, and while we wait for our order to arrive, I take a closer look at the lake from this side. The area in front features beach chairs and parasols, as well as a party zone. The restaurant is lively, with a number of guests enjoying the atmosphere. Our orders have arrived. Dom has a rice dish made with beef, stir-fried in soy sauce, and I am having a mushroom soup.
ข้าวหน้าเนื้อผัดซีอิ๊ว
กระสุกเห็ด
After our meal, the ever-friendly Koen Boonler takes me to the back of the premises, where new accommodations have recently been built. As he lets me take a look inside, I notice a sign that reads pet-friendly room, something I really appreciate. With this, we say goodbye and set off on our next adventure, ready to discover a new destination and capture another video.